Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm. Before going to learn about them, I am going to tell about what are positive integers. So we know that integers are negative integers and positive integers including 0. So see here, this is the number line and these are called negative integers with the numbers with the negative sign, and the numbers with positive sign are called positive integers. So positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And in this chapter, we will learn two important properties of positive integers. Those are, first one is Euclid's division algorithm and second one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now we will learn about Euclid's division lemma. See these examples. 46 divided by 3. Here 46 is dividend and 3 is divisor. So if you divide 46 with 3, quotient is for 15 and remainder is 1. So 46 you can write as 3 into 15 plus 1. So here remainder is 1. And if you observe, remainder 1 is always less than the divisor, that is 3. And second example, 14 divided by 2. 14 is equal to 2 into 7, 2 is divisor, into 7, 7 is quotient plus 0. This is remainder. So here remainder is 0. And next example is 32 divided by 24. 32 is equal to 24 into 1 plus 8. So here remainder is 8. This is always less than the divisor 24. And next one is 9 divided by 11. Here 9 is dividend is less than the divisor 11. So 9 is equal to 11 into 0 plus 9. So here also remainder 9 is less than the divisor 11. Now these you can write as dividend is equal to, these are dividends, so these are divisors, so divisor into, these are quotient, so quotient plus these are remainders plus remainder. This you can write as A is equal to BQ plus R. So here A is dividend, B is divisor and Q is quotient and R is remainder. Here R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. If you see these examples, you can easily understand R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than the divisor, that is B. And here AB are always positive integers. We know that positive integers means 1, 2, 3, etc. And Q and R are whole numbers. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. You can see from this example here Q can be 0. Here Q is 0, so Q can be 0. Now the same statement A is equal to BQ plus R is called Euclid's division lemma. So here lemma means proven statement used for proving another statement, or this is a small result which is less important than a theorem. So now you can say the Euclid's division lemma like this: given positive integers A and B, there exist unique whole numbers Q and R satisfying A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. So you can write two examples like this. 72 you can write as 5 into 14 plus 2. Here 2 is less than 5. 2 is remainder, so this is less than the divisor. And 80 is equal to 10 into 8. 8 plus 0. Here remainder is equal to 0. So these examples are in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. So this is called Euclid's division lemma. Now I am going to tell Euclid's division algorithm. It is a technique to compute the highest common factor HCF of two given positive integers. We know that how to find HCF in our previous class by using factors method. For example, find HCF of 16 and 24. First find factors of 16, that is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. We know that a factor is a number that exactly divides another number. So here all these numbers exactly divide 16. So these are factors of 16, and factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. If you observe these factors, 2 is common, 4 is common, 8 is also common. But here we want to find highest common factor. So highest common factor of these two numbers is 8. This is another example. HCF of 11 and 19 we can directly write as 1, because here for 11 factors are 1 and 11 and factors of 19 are also 1 and 19. So 1 is the highest common factor of 11 and 19. Now I am going to tell how to find HCF by using Euclid's division algorithm. For example, let the given positive integers A and B are 32 and 56. Then find HCF of 32 and 56. So Here we have to apply Euclid's division lemma, that is A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is less than B and greater than or equal to 0. So here first find out the largest number. Here 56 is the larger number. So 56 is equal to 32 into 1. Here divide 56 with 32, then 32 ones are 32, then the remainder is 24. So 56 is equal to 32 into 1 plus 24. So here the remainder is not 0. Again apply Euclid's division lemma on 32 and 24. Again 32 is equal to, we can write as 24 ones are 24, then the remainder is 8. So 24 into 1 plus 8. Then here the remainder is not equal to 0. Again apply Euclid's division lemma on 24 and 8. So 24 is equal to 8 3s are 24. So 8 into 3 plus 0. So here the remainder is 0. So HCF of 32 and 56 is equal to, here the divisor is 8. This is the HCF. So HCF is 8. Now please do this practice worksheet.